When doing engineering collaboration in a remote working environment like we have today with our COVID-19 situation, we need tools that allow us to do work in a different manner than what we've done before. We feel like with PlantSight and our issue resolution service, this gives us a good way of collaboration on changes that we see that are necessary in the model. So for instance, if I look at this model and someone has provided me access to this and I take a peek and I say, hey, look, I've got an open nozzle here. I want to mark that as something that needs to be checked by the person who originated this model. So I'm going to use the issue resolution service and create an issue related to that vessel that I can now flag to them and say, hey, check the open nozzle. So I can assign a due date to that. I'm going to just put this out a couple weeks from today. Draft status, I'm going to assign that issue. I can assign it to a role, which is, any project user that has that role would see the issue. In this case, I'm just going to assign it to myself, and I'm going to say, what is the missing connection? Okay, I can hit OK. Now, if I want to add a markup to this as well, I can center this here. I can say, all right, for this particular issue, I want to add a markup. The markup tool will be here. I can use any of the sketching tools or, additional text and markup tools that I have. And in this case, I'm just going to select the draw tool and just flag that specific spot as the issue that I'm looking at. Okay, now I've got my issue saved. It's here in the window. If I go back to the overall issue list now, I can navigate from here to my forms library to see all of the open issues. Who they were assigned to, who they were created by, the created date, the modified date, and I can go work on any of these specific punch list items that I have in my issues list. Thank you.